If you cook, you know this struggle. Grease splatters everywhere and wiping it with water, that just smears the mess. We all love a clean kitchen, but let's be real, some messes just don't go away. Greasy walls? A kitchen that never stays clean? Instead, here's a quick fix that works for a clean and shiny kitchen. Step 1, sprinkle baking soda on a damp sponge and gently rub in circles. It absorbs grease instantly, no scrubbing needed. Step 2, for tougher stains, mix dish soap and warm water. Wipe it down, then dry it with a clean towel. Step 3, if your walls are painted, test a small spot first. Scrubbing too hard can damage the finish. That's better. No more grease, no more stains. But if you've got years of buildup or heavy grease stains, that's when it's time to call in the pros. Amenify's deep cleaning services take care of the tough jobs, so you don't have to. Check the link below to book a professional cleaner today. Try this hack and let us know if it worked for you. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home care tips, powered by Amenify. See you next time!